Hi everyone, this is Nagajyoti Avasingi. You are looking at Pride platform government app. Government users. When I say government, they are nothing but district magistrate office users. These users would get credentials from administrators. It is not a self-registration process. This is a sample user ID for District Magistrate Office, Hyderabad. When a particular government user logs in, from app point of view, you would see all the transactions which have happened under his purview. Example, all the self identification process forms which are submitted under District Magistrate Office of Hyderabad, all those transactions would be available in the dashboard for government user of Hyderabad. So these are the four options that are available for the government users. The first one is schedule appointments. These are the transactions which are submitted from the Pride community users. So these are the users who have filled the self-identification forms and submitted it. When I say users, the community users, when they submit it, it goes to the government organization under which these Pride members are coming. For example, a community member from Hyderabad, if they submit the self-identification, that would come to the government district magistrate office of Hyderabad. That's how all these transactions are available, which requires a review from district magistrate office. Now government user can look at the details and then change the schedule date. Let us say on 13th September they want to call up these Pride users to come and do a self identification review process. They can provide that schedule date. If there are any questions, they can always click on the call Pride member and it would take them to the Pride member's number. With this information, they can government users can do a schedule appointment. So this is a confirmation and OK. For all the users to whom government has scheduled the appointments, all those transactions would come under review self-identification process. So this is a transaction for which government user have just done the schedule appointment. So government user can schedule the appointment. Pride members need to be in person, coming to the district magistrate office, complete their review process, and after that government user can approve the self-identification. When they approve the self-identification, community members would get third gender certificate, or they can also, for whatever reasons, let us say there are not enough documents, or something went wrong and the government is not willing to approve the self-identification process. In any of those cases, they can do a reinitiate. So if they approve, the member would get the self-identification process done and then they get third gender certificate. Let us say they do a reinitiate, then community member need to go through this process completely again. So let us try with the reinitiate process. Let us say for Dave Peterson, we are scheduling appointment, and let us say after the appointment, the government did not feel that the documentation is enough or something is wrong. They cannot really approve self-identification process. They can click on this reinitiate process, which means that the member should go through the complete process again. For scheduled appointments, the other option is, for example, for 11th, the appointment is scheduled, but for whatever reasons, the government members are not available to do the self identification review process, panel is not available. In those cases, they can always do a cancel appointment, which will take this record back to the schedule appointment list. To summarize, government would have three actions for the pride members who have submitted the self-identification process. They can do the schedule appointments, they can do a cancel appointments on scheduled appointments so that they can reschedule it, they can review the self-identification process and then provide their feedback, either approving or reinitiating through the third link. Other than this, government users would also have submit statistics link. This is to provide monthly statistics about different parameters. What are those parameters? The first one is the depression cases. As per the bill, government district magistrate office is also responsible for welfare of the community members. So in that way, they need to have systems to capture information from hospitals, from the police departments, to get all information in and around pride members. And this is a UI which would give them way to capture those metrics. So for example, depression cases of what age group, age 20 and under, 30 to 40, they can select the age group and how many cases that came under the purview of district magistrate office of Hyderabad. So that number they can have, and then this is for which month. This is, let us say, this is for the 31st August. So they can provide this information and then do a submit statistics. Similarly, statistics are updated successfully. Similarly, they can also update the fatalities, suicide cases, and other parameters to the database. Other than these, they also have a home button, a change password, and a logout options on the screen. So this is the Wear Pride government app. Thank you for listening.